What's up, everyone? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Teacher Latrice, and you already know what's about to come at ya. This video is brought to you by Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this put on and go blunt cut straight fall with the minimalistic HD lace. It's also glueless and it comes in a left C-part wig, baby. Yes, perfect for this heat wave summer. Okay, it's actually perfect for any time of the year, but especially now because it is absolutely hot. It is so hot. It's too hot. Okay. So before we jump into the video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below to let me know you are here. So we're about to get into this gorgeousness right here. Like, do y'all see the shine and the flowiness of it? So we're about to do a quick unboxing and show you all how it looks coming right out of the box. We're going to bump it a little bit and continue to get this unit together. So continue watching.
To be sincere, feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you, no matter what we go through. Keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate, but I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. And I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance?
Oh yeah, so we have flat ironing and it is looking amazing. I am liking the cut of it. Like, it's looking so cute. Like, and it is perfect, absolutely perfect for the summertime. Like, y'all know it is hot. It is super duper hot. Okay, so this unit is coming in right on time. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clip this hair back so we can get into this lace. Clip it all back. First off, what we're gonna do is we are going to wax stick the front so we can get these flyaways out of the way. Wanted to show y'all this lace. Like, the lace is looking absolutely amazing. So now we're just going to cut the lace.
Go no lies, go fair with it. You can let him stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our meant to be.
This lace is so good. I barely cut it. It was just coming off like butter. This is how the hairline is looking. Y'all, this looks good. Okay, that's it for this unit, y'all. That is it. Super duper quick. But this unit does fit ear to ear. This unit does fit very comfortable on my head. It's lightweight and blowy. So this is the unit you want to get when you want to look sassy and jazzy. When you don't want to wear no long hair. You want it completely like off your neck. Like, I'm liking the cut. So cute, and it's amazing. You already know bobs are always in season, honey. Okay, and the C part is absolutely amazing as well. The quality is actually absolutely amazing. So let me show you the back. Let me tell you about this put on and go blunt cut straight bob with the minimalistic HD lace. It's also glueless and it's a left C part wig. This unit is 8 inches, 100% human hair. The color is a natural black. The density on this unit is 150% and the lace is pre-bleached. Like I said, the lace area is minimalistic HD lace. Like, you cannot tell me that you see any lace on this unit. Like, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Okay, the circumference of this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. This unit also comes with 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 in the back. This unit also has an attached adjustable band and an adjustable strap as well to help you give you that glueless effect. This unit is glueless, absolutely 100% glueless. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. You also have the option to dye this, so if you want to put a little highlights up and through here, you can do that. This is a great bob to wear any occasion. It is so lightweight, it's very flowy, it's no tangles or shedding as well. It fits my head ear to ear very comfortably, so it is big head friendly. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Luv Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video. And I'll see you over there.